you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some pieces to show you by Jeulia Jewelry. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have some items that just arrived by Jeulia Jewelry. They did actually send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing jewelry to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this is actually a little bit different. I'm not going to be showing you things for myself. I actually chose this stuff for you guys. So basically, Jeulia Jewelry got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys another piece from their Halloween collection. And so right now they have Glam Up Ghosts. Let Jeulia add magic to your night. You can save 15% off their site by using SheCrafty15. That is my code that they gave for you guys for this season. So 15% off will save you with SheCrafty15. Now, basically what they wanted me to do was to look through their Halloween collection and pick out a few pieces for me to show you guys. So I asked them if I can actually choose them and give them away for a giveaway for you guys, because I love their jewelry and I would love to pass down to you guys. Gift giving is coming up, so I thought this would be a great way to be able to share with you guys. You can keep it for yourself or you can give it to another for the holiday season coming up. But either way, this here is for you guys. There's 3 pieces total, so I'm gonna have 3 winners, and we're soon gonna find out what this is all about. I do like to tell you a little bit about Jeulia Jewelry while I show you stuff from their website. So I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna show you what I chose for you guys. And I hope you like it. And just so you know, if you do want to order anything that's like a ring, at first I always tell you guys, like, I stayed away from the rings because I thought they wouldn't have anything big enough for my Vienna sausage fingers. Like, my fingers are so chunky. Well, that's just me. But anyways, I thought they wouldn't fit me, but their ring sizes go from a size 3 all the way up to a 15 and every half size in between. So definitely you can have it sized all the way up to a 15 in the ring size. So the Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. Measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be curated in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. The diamond white color stone has the same brilliance and durability of a natural diamond, but at a fraction of the cost. For centuries, diamonds have been adorned by women and men and was regarded as a symbol of eternal love. Today, diamonds are still the most precious and valuable stone in the world. Diamonds are associated with celebrities and royalties alike. You do have 30-day returns, free standard shipping over $99. It comes with a 1-year warranty. All of their jewelry is 925 sterling silver. They have flexible financing and secure shopping. And then don't forget, SheCrafty15 will get you 15% off their site. So basically what I did is I looked through their Halloween collection and I went through and picked things that I would have really liked, but I'm putting them then in this for you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'll open up this one first because this should have 1 and this one should have 2 in there. Now, since I don't have 3 boxes, one of them is not going to have an actual, or maybe 2 of them won't. Then one of them will probably be sent just like this, and then the other 2 will probably just be put in. This is what I'm going to probably have to do, because there's probably one bag in that one and there's 2 items and there's 1 bag in this one. So for this one, I'll probably just be mailing it like this in just the box. And then I will use the bag and then the other bag to go with those that I won't have the box for. So if you receive one of these bags or this, the main thing is the product on the inside, not the outside. So that's how I'm gonna do it, since I'm gonna have 3 pieces. So inside of all of their boxes, when you do receive it, there's this right on top that says stop, drop and roll. Not really, just stop. If you order anything that is sized or customized in any way, it'll have like a little tag on there. Make sure that it fits 100% before removing that tag, because removing the tag will void your warranty. So before you remove anything, make sure it fits 100%. And then if it doesn't, then you can contact them and they can make it right. But if you remove it, you void your warranty. So that's what this says. Stop, make sure it fits first before you remove anything. Then there is always their booklet on top that goes over their amazing jewelry. And I'll probably have 1 in the other one. So 2 out of you guys, out of the 3, will get a book. And then it comes with this bag. So if it is already for a gift, you'll have this bag that you can just go ahead and pull the little strings here, open it up, and then you can drop it down inside. If it's not for a gift, take out this right here, because you do have a cleaning cloth that's inside. And then here is a greeting card that you can write it on there. Inside of here, they're all different colors depending on, I'll see if I have an extra one somewhere around here for that 3rd one, because again, there's only going to be 1 in each package. So I'll try to see if I can find another one of these. If not, sorry, I can only give what I have. So there is the gift basket that will already be ready for you if it is for a gift. And then down inside of here will be the item. Now with this one, I went ahead and just chose necklaces because I wouldn't know anybody's ring size, and I just thought that would be the easiest thing. So look down inside of this one, same thing. There's 1 bag. There's 2 things in there. And then inside of here, there'll probably just be 1 cleaning cloth. Yep, 1 cleaning cloth. This one here, let's see what color this one is. It looks like it is white as well. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. Keep 1 of them in this box to ship to you guys. And then I'll have a bag and a bag for the other one. And then let me go ahead and pull these 2 out. And then after I show you, I'll tell you what you would need to do if you do want to enter to win one of these 3. Okay, so they all come in their same box, which this looks like that. You can always save these, keep your jewelry in, and let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks when you first open them up. First up, I chose, if you know, you know, I had to get something that was Nightmare Before Christmas because I had to. Let me see if I can put it like this to show you guys. So it's Sally and Jack, and it's on like this gunmetal, almost like a black chain. I love that. So yeah, Jack and Sally, and it has their proprietary stone that goes around on there. I'll show you from their website a better image right here on how this one looks. Next up, I chose this moon. If you follow me, you know I love the moon. I have the moon phase tattooed on me. I just thought this was so pretty. This one does come on like a silver chain, but it does have like that black on there as well. So it's like black and silver. I just thought that looked really, really cute. And again, I loved the moon. I'm like, yes, I would definitely like that one. So again, I wanted to choose things that were kind of like something that is, you know, means something to me, like the Nightmare Before Christmas, the moon, and I just thought that was really, really neat. So here is the second one. I'll show you a better image here. And then this one, we are back on like the gunmetal color of the chain, almost like a black. And then it has like this really pretty heart. And if you can see, it has like 2 skeleton hands. I love skeletons. It has 2 skeleton hands like holding that. I just thought that looked super, super cool. Oh my gosh, I love that. I just think that looks so cool. So a better image will be right here. And they do have like the adjustable chain back there, so you can make it longer or shorter when you are going to wear them. And then she actually did say when you do purchase right now, you get a free gift. This was added in my box, so I'm not quite sure if this is the free gift, but let me show you. It looks like, yeah, it's a little pumpkin. Oh, it's a bag. Is it like a trick-or-treating bag? That is so cute. That would even be cute if you put like around, like if you had a plant and you wanted to stick this around to dress up the bottom of it, or to go trick-or-treating with, if you wanted a little basket. But that is really cute. That is so cute. So that is what I chose for you guys for this giveaway. And if you would like to know how you can enter, I'm gonna let you know the simple rules right about now. Same as all my other giveaways, short and sweet. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to those that are here actively supporting me on my channel. I wanna say thank you. So you must be publicly subscribed. I can't say that enough. Publicly subscribed, that everybody can see that you are subscribed. So if your account is set private, change it to unprivate if you would like to enter into the giveaway. So number 1, you must be subscribed. Number 2, give this video a big thumbs up. Number 3, you must have a United States address for me to ship it to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm paying for a United States address to ship these 3 items to. You must be over the age of 18. If you are not over the age of 18, have somebody that is enter in for you, just so I can communicate with an adult and get addresses if you are the winner. Lastly, you would leave 1 comment down below, and in that comment, write sharing is caring, and then you're gonna write Nightmare Before Christmas, you're going to write the moon, or you're going to write the heart with the skull hands. So there's 3 different necklaces. I would need to know which one you would be entering in for if you are the winner. Again, there's gonna be 3 winners, 1 for each of those necklaces. So write down below, sharing is caring, and which necklace is your favorite that you would like to win for yourself or for another if you were the one that is picked. Also be careful of scammers. I've had one go around saying something about Telegram me and it looked like this. That is definitely not me. My comment will only look like this one here. Say just SheCrafty, no dot, no at me, no nothing, just SheCrafty. That is it. And then it will say this. And then you would have 48 hours to contact me back to claim your winning. If you do not contact me back within the 48 hours, a new winner must be drawn. The new winner has the same rules and so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box will be all of the official rules, the official end date if there's any questions. And once this is over and I do use my random comment picker to choose the winner, I will say congratulations to this necklace, and this necklace. It'll show all 3. And then it will say on the side, has 48 hours to confirm, or it will say confirmed. If it says has 48 hours to confirm, hold tight. I might have to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you, but I do giveaways on my channel as much as I can to give back to you guys to say thank you. So there's that. Simple and easy. Like I said, be subscribed, like, comment what I said to comment, have a US address, be over the age of 18, be careful for scammers, and smile. That is it. So that is everything that I have for this video. Again, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite is, if you were entering or not. I would love to hear that. And yeah, again, I'm so glad. And I sent them two. I said, I would really like these two. And if either one of those is sold out, here's a third one. And she's like, I'll send all three of them. And I was like, oh, sweet. I had 3 winners. That's awesome. So I'm so thankful to Jeulia Jewelry for sending all 3 of these necklaces to me so I can gift all 3 of them to you. So I love it. So again, comment down below and let me know if you would like to go check them out. The link will be in the description box to go straight to Jeulia Jewelry. You can visit their site, see all of their amazing products. You can check out just the Halloween section. And then there also will be a link to show you everything that I actually have and am enjoying. If you wanted to see anything that I have, you can check that out there as well. If you want to see other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So now that is everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.